Concerned about keeping your sensitive data secure on your Mac? Well, password protecting folders is a must to safeguard confidential information. Lucky for you, macOS has built-in tools that make it super easy. Let me show you how you can do this. First, open a Finder window and click on Applications. Scroll all the way down and click on Utilities and open up Disk Utility. Click on File, select New Image and select Image from Folder. Select the folder you want to protect. I'm going to select my confidential folder, which has a test file, and click on Choose. Now pick your encryption level, 128-bit AES encryption or 256-bit AES encryption. For extra security, go with 256-bit AES. Enter and verify your password. Remember to use the strong one. Click on Choose and set the image format to read-write to make future edits and hit Save. So the disk utility will start encrypting your folder. Wait for it to finish. All right, it is done. If you go to desktop, you now have a password protected disk image with a .dmg extension. To access it, just double click on it, enter the password that you use to protect this folder, click OK. Now the image file is mounted on the left side and you can see the files in there. So you can move the files in and out as needed. By the way, you can also secure individual files in native Mac apps like Notes, Pages, and Numbers. So if you open a page file, click on File menu and you see an option which says Set Password. Specify your password and verify it again. Type a password in and hit Set Password. Remember to create a strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal info and consider a password manager for extra convenience. By following these steps, you will keep your sensitive data safe from prying eyes. So take action today and protect your valuable information. Stay safe out there. I thank you for watching this video. For more videos like these, please subscribe to my channel.